Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very powerful video and it is going to make sure that you get the desired results immediately. You need not to face any sort of problems in your relationship, in your target person's love. If you really love someone and you want that your target person should approach you, or he or she should come to you and say that yes, he or she cannot live without you, then this is an ideal procedure which you can opt to get the desired results. Second thing is that you need to believe your positive aura, your positive intentions. If you have positive intentions in your mind, or you are having a firm belief regarding your partner, you have positive belief that you want to be with your love, you are not going to cheat on him or you are not going to cheat on her, then this is the powerful spell which you can use. In this spell, you just need to give 1 cup of tea to your partner or 1 cup of coffee to your partner. As soon as they have consumed that cup of tea or cup of coffee, their sixth senses, all the six senses, they would be after you. Means 24 hours from that moment onward, that particular person will start thinking about you and will say that I cannot resist you. 24 hours he or she will start thinking of you. 24 hours he or she will start missing you. Now what you need to do, please listen very carefully. On Friday, dear brothers and sisters, if you face any difficulty or if you find it challenging, rather than skipping this video or making it fast forward, you can call on the number which is there on your screen. We would be loving to answer all your queries, all your answers without any hesitation. On Friday, you need to have 1 clove. A single clove is with me already. On that clove, along with this, a red color marker is also required. So dear brothers and sisters, what would you be doing? On the head of the clove, look, I am having already a clove with me. On the head of the clove, that is this portion, this is known as the head, this one is known as tail. On the head of the clove, you will write down your target person's first alphabet, name of first alphabet of the name. For example, if his name is Sam, so you will write down S on the head. S. Right? I think you won't be able to see it. However, if you are going to do it live, you probably will be able to see it. Secondly, once you have done it, you will hold that clove like this and will close your fist like this, only 2 middle fingers, and you have to start making a cup of tea only for your target person. Not for you, only for your target person. You will start making a cup of tea or cup of coffee, whichever is comfortable to you. So when you are making the cup of tea, what will you do? you will read this powerful spell which is there in front of you. Philomis Donatro Gibro. Philomis Donatro Gibro. And you will keep on chanting this spell and will keep on stirring that cup of tea while your left hand's fist should be like this. And when you are making the cup of tea, you have to stir it continuously like this. While adding milk, while adding sugar, while adding any other ingredient, whichever you add, you keep on stirring it, and your left hand must have that clove in the form of fist. Like this. Once the tea is ready, pay complete attention, dear brothers. You will be putting the clove in that cup of tea like this with the help of your thumb. Like this. If you had some sweat on your fist and that sweat has made wet this clove, then definitely you will have the results. After that, what will you do? When you offer this cup of tea to your partner, to your target person, and when he or she is drinking it, in the mind, at the back of your mind, you will keep on thinking, what do you want? You want to marry your partner, then you will keep on thinking that this person should marry me. This person should propose me for the marriage. If you want that he should spend some time with me, then you keep in your mind, you must keep on thinking that this person should keep on spending some time with me. If you want to have physical girlfriend-boyfriend relationship, then you can think about that I must have girlfriend-boyfriend relationship with this target person. As soon as you have done it, dear brothers and sisters, believe me, no one will be able to stop you from getting the results. You will be having 100% results. This is my promise to you. This is my commitment to you. This is my assurance to you. Only thing is that you have to be clear cut with your intentions. You have to think positive. You have to think optimistic. And believe me, no one will be able to stop you from getting the results. Just with a cup of tea or a coffee, you can make your partner to be loyal to you and be faithful to you lifelong completely. Dear brothers and sisters, if you have any doubt regarding this spell or you want to know some sort of help, then you can call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.